Well, here we are, guys. Old Iron Wheel. Finally back out in the garage shop. Gonna look at the olds here again. Kind of did a couple jobs here the other day. Just really quickly, kind of rigged up the timer there for it. So how it kind of works. Pumps that back. Kind of comes up, doesn't quite touch. Then when you get up onto compression, this engine's compression building all the time. There, it grounds out, which will create spark on the buzz coil. And goes through all that again. So kind of a, I don't know, goofy setup in one way, in my opinion. A lot more complicated than I think it needed to be. So anyways, I think today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the spark plug out. This is an old one I had kicking around. I think I'm going to take it apart, just clean it up, get it ready to go. So it's an old Edison, so I'm going to throw you up in the stand. Let's see how it goes. So guys, I got the spark timer wired up just crudely right now with some alligator clips and stuff like that. But as you can see, I got no plug in there, so there's no compression. But as you see, I'd be coming up on compression right now. There's the buzz coil buzzing. You watch. So it's contacting there right now. And then this piece here kind of pushes it back. So I think it's a lot more complicated than it ever had to be, but it does seem to work. So next step's going to be I think I'm going to build a battery box for it, and then I'm going to actually wire it up properly and stuff like that. So not sure well you can see that or not. There's the plug I cleaned up, sparking now. So came out pretty good. So sure if you can hear the buzz coil buzzing or not, but spark timer is working. So the next job is to wire it all up, finish up the saxophone part of that mixer. I got to make a rod for the choke and everything yet. So still a few things to do, but it is coming. Well, here we have it, guys. I just did a real quick and down and dirty battery box for the olds here. I'm going to get a little hasp or clasp of some sorts there just to hold that a little bit down. So, but just real quick, nothing fancy. Burned it again, as you can see. You know, oil it up with used motor oil. Kind of gives it that distressed look, and it all dries in there. So, here we go. Just giving you a bit of an idea of what it's going to look like on there. So, yeah, it's obviously not positioned or anything yet. I'm just playing. So had the battery box attached. I think it turned out okay. I think the next goal is now to try and get this all wired up. Got one of these buzz coils I bought in the sewer swap meet a number of years ago. Really good coil. I've always had good luck with them. I bought a bunch of these when I was down there a few times. So I'm starting to run low on them, so. But you know, they, like I say, they've been pretty foolproof and reliant and reliable and all the good things. I got nothing but good things to say about them. A coil is what they said on there, so can't remember the fellow's name who used to make them. He was in a wheelchair and that, but really good coil. So let's get at her. Well, guys, it's pretty crude at the moment. I didn't have enough spark plug wires, so I have just rigged it up just roughly. So definitely sparks on the timer and everything like that. So not sure if I can spin this enough, and oh, you can hear it go right there. And then coming up on compression. So next step is to finish the fuel mixer. I'm just about done it. I need a couple of last second changes on it. And then it's going to run some fuel lines and definitely give it a test fire. See if it's going to do anything here soon, hopefully. Hopefully in the next couple of days, I'll be able to try that. And yeah, it's finally starting to look like something. So like I say, just I really thought I had enough spark plug wire there, but I don't. So we'll make do for now. I'll have to order some, and that'll give me something else to finish off a little bit later down the road here. But let's say I discovered something with the mixture that I didn't really like, so I kind of addressed that too. I think it's going to give me a little bit better chance of success of getting this engine running. So, but yeah, it's as long as the mixer works, I see no reason that it shouldn't run. So, talk to you later, everybody. And I'll get that spark plug wire and a few other things ordered up. I need to order a few supplies. So, and hopefully soon we'll be cranking this thing over and see if we can get some life in it. So, talk to you later.